situation is not only serious but it is also alarming, and it is going out of the hands of ONGCL. I have to say this because ONGCL officials, including their CMD, Mr. Arun Kumar Singh, had been trying to control this blowout for the last 7 days, that is 1 week time, and they have failed. They have totally failed to control this blowout. See, Amrita, why I say this? Because it is only the ONGC officials who had made tall claims that it is a very trivial issue. They played down the entire glass blowout issue at the initial stage, which now insiders who are veterans in the industry are telling us that they have neglected, even gross neglect by ONGC team has led to this escalation in this situation. So they initially played that claim that it's a very trivial issue and will be sorted out within a couple of days. Now what? Now it's already 7 days time and situation is very much serious. This is not I am saying, this is what Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, after his unscheduled visit to the site day before yesterday night, had himself mentioned during a press interaction in Dibrugarh yesterday. So the situation is very much alarming. There is no signs of containment. ONGC officials, I must have to say, they have totally failed, and they are now looking for some escape routes, and also the people there are suffering. Amrita, we have got this report that 25 people have been complaining about respiratory issues, and 4 of them had suddenly the health condition of 4 of them, including a woman, has turned serious last night, due to which they had to be rushed to the Jorhat Medical College, and currently they are in the ICU. And the local MLA there, Sibsagar Akhil Gogoi, he has also tweeted this morning about these issues to the Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, who said that he is taking up the matter, even he will go to the extent of taking up the matter with the Prime Minister of India. So things are not very much rosy, I must say, and things have almost gone out of hands of ONGCL due to their gross neglect and so-called high claims of containment and playing down the incident which had escalated in the situation. Amrita.
Absolutely, Ripunjay, this is only taking a serious turn. Of course, we know that 1 person has lost his life, 25 have fallen ill. 4 of them, they are in a serious condition and they have been taken into the ICU of Jorhat Hospital. Now, of course, we know that the CMD of ONGC, Arun Kumar Singh, he also had visited the site yesterday. He also took stock of the situation, and as you rightly mentioned, Ripunjay, that there is kind of a gross neglect as far as ONGC is concerned in tackling this whole situation. They did not take this matter seriously, and now it has blown out of proportion. Now, what is the step forward, Ripunjay? Because there has to be a solution. A solution has to be found as clock is ticking.
Yes, Amrita, the solution according to me is just the state government under the leadership of Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma will have to take full control of the entire situation. He has to crack the whip on this ONGC errant ONGC officials who even declined to speak to the media. And even if they hurriedly organized some kind of a media interaction last evening at the site, that too after being rebuked by the Chief Minister during his visit, the officials had to organize this media conference, so-called media conference last evening, and during which they only thanked the officials from the administration and nothing of that. So they are taking full advantage of the technical issues of this blowout and repeatedly trying to play down the issue, and also thereby almost trying to befool the people of that area and also the entire state.
Right.
So
Also,
there has
Ripunjay.
to be,
Also,
because
Ripunjay.
that,
Yes, Ripunjay. I would also like to ask you that. Of course, we know that the Chief Minister is very seriously considering the situation. There has been intervention coming in from his side, saying that he will, in fact, take the matter to the Prime Minister as well, if needed. Of course, there has also been talks that experts will be called in from Delhi, from the United States. But what is the progress on that? And there are also some reports which are claiming that there have been anomalies as far as the Chief Minister Relief Fund is concerned for the affected families. What do you have on that?
yes, Amrita, that is what the ED has informed us the other day, that they are in consultation with an American expert. But whether those experts will be brought to the spot site for practical control of the blowout to control this blowout, that is not known till now. Neither they have informed anything. Only short press communications were issued in the initial days, making high claims, tall claims that it will be controlled within a short way, and whatever measures are being taken for the civilian population they have mentioned on these small press notes. Now, as the situation escalates, the Chief Minister has also involved the state government machinery. The Chief Secretary is in touch with the Union Petroleum Secretary about this. He had briefed the Union Petroleum Secretary, and accordingly Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri, the Union Petroleum Minister, has also been briefed about the entire situation. So the situation, that is why I am saying it's quite alarming. But unfortunately, and ONGC officials are very much tight-lipped on the entire technical issues. They are trying to befool the people of that area. And also, yes, that another part of your question, there are serious allegations that the Chief Minister has announced 25,000 of interim relief to the affected families as a very urgent measure. Because when this blowout took place, Amrita, the people had to leave all their belongings at their homes and they had to run to the relief camps. So they had left everything back home. Even they didn't take a pair of clothes also with them. So in order to meet those expenses only, the Chief Minister has announced 25,000 each for the family, around 350 families. But there are now allegations that anomalies in this distribution of relief fund has also surfaced. So this kind of a situation is prevailing in the site, and as I said, that ONGC officials have totally failed, once again, totally failed in the entire issue.